Hello, welcome back. This is Stephen Boat's Coins, and I've got a single coin for you today. As well as doing the Isabella II collection of coins that I'm doing at this moment in time, I am trying very hard to get a set of coins together that show the different popes off. And to that end, I have this 10 Soldi coin, and that's S-O-L-D-I. It's from 1867. It was issued by the Vatican and it's silver. It's from the Papal States, from the era of Pius IX, who was 1846 to 1870. Now, 10 Soldi is equal to 50 centimes or half a lira, and it's 0.835 silver. This coin was issued in 1867, which was 3 years before Pius IX's death, and it celebrates 21 years of his reign. On the reverse, so that's the portrait of Pius IX. On the reverse, I think it's that way up, you have the date in a wreath, and you have the value as well. This coin from the reign of Pius IX, dated 1867, has a mintage of 3,950,000. Now, as I said, I'm getting a collection of all the different popes, and I want to have a coin from each, showing each pope on the obverse side. So this is only the beginning. This is one of the beginning ones that I've got. I've got a couple of other ones as well, which I will be showing off and doing individual reviews on. I will be doing a more in-depth view of Pope Pius IX and his reign on one of the other coins that I've got with him on it. So, what do you think of this coin? Is it one, would you consider even having a coin from the papal coins or coins from the Vatican City in your collection? I know that the 2 euro coins and the euro coins that have been issued by the Vatican City are low mintage, as you would expect, because there aren't that many people actually in the Vatican City as a state, but they are extremely collectible, and it's something I'd like to expand on, having particularly commemorative coins from the Papal States, from the Papal State. So, if you've enjoyed this video, let me just take you up a bit more. Can you please give me the thumbs up? And if you haven't, if you haven't yet done so, and you believe I deserve it, could you also at least think about subscribing to the channel? I am going to try and get to 250 by the end of this year, of 2023. I currently am in the mid 170s, so it will be a reasonably tough ask, but it's one that's doable for me, or I believe is doable. And your help will be greatly received, and I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria, and also collectibles, which I tend to cover on this channel. I do 4 videos a week as a minimum. I have been releasing 5 just recently, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for watching till the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.